The primary target of this particular test lab is to really enable our innovation ecosystem. A lot of the use cases of 5G will be built around technologies like and use cases like augmented reality, virtual reality, IoT sensing, robotics and so on. And so in ARTPARK, besides the communication infrastructure, we also have all these other ancillary equipment and infrastructure. And so we believe that this will be a really good place for innovators to come in and explore and test out their ideas.
We are having a solution called 5G Magix, which is a solution for drone video transmission over 5G internet. It's a revolutionary technology which will enable drones to communicate over 5G network. We are testing our solutions and validating over the private 5G network that are there in the lab.
ARTPARK played a major role in developing this product. And most importantly, we had access to their cutting-edge 5G testbed and lab infrastructure. Personally, I had expert mentorship, and most importantly, the 5G testbed is well advanced for our testing purpose.
I am into developing a 5G mobile logging tool, and to validate and to test the functionality of that tool, I used the network side base station infrastructure here. They have here all type of 5G network, open source type as well as the professional grade.
So we are building India's first and only 5G security test system for OEMs, network operators and R&D institutions.
And it is targeted to be used by test labs, OEMs, operators and even R&D institutions.
So we were looking to validate our product with some real 5G equipment. So with ISC ARTPARK, with its state-of-the-art 5G test labs, we were able to validate our product. So we are thankful for ISC ARTPARK for providing this opportunity.